Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps.
Hi friends, welcome to Raheem Construction. My name is Raheem, and I'm a building constructor. I do almost everything concerning house building, and in this video, I want to show you how to plaster a wall from beginning to end. Please, if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like the video, share and also drop your comment. Thank you.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better.
As we all know, plastering a wall we must need cement and sand, also some water. And wall plastering needs some techniques like the ratio of sand to cement. In this case, I'm using 2:1 ratio, which is the normal sand to cement ratio for all plastering projects.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Mixing cement and sand manually needs some strength. It's not a work for a lazy man. It's said that all play and no work makes Jack a lazy boy. So let's get to work.
I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Now it's time to spread the mixture and add some water.
Way back a year ago. Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine.
Mixing everything with the water can break a bone. So what I like to do is that I mix little by little in the middle and load it into my wheelbarrow.
In a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.
because mortar can cause skin irritation. I like to always put my hand gloves on first.
But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Now that hand gloves are on hands, what else? Let's get started. Guys, because of this video tutorial, I want to plaster the whole wall before I start scribing and smoothing. Keep on watching to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
Due to the high temperature here, before I finish applying the mortar, everything has dried like a stone. So I have to use my own techniques to script the wall and also smoothing it.
Way back a year ago.
Guys, the sunlight on the previous wall shifted, so I want to show how I smoothing the wall on this one. This is a cement and sand smooth locally made by myself, but some masonry like to buy a plastic one. It all works perfectly. I also need brush to splash water before smoothing. So, finally, this is the end result. Please subscribe to my channel to support and encourage me so I can bring more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.